Okay, hi everybody. So I'm Maria, and today I'm going to make a risotto with the leeks and gorgonzola. I'm originally from south of Italy. This is a dish from north of Italy, but it is a classic in the Italian cuisine. So let's start. So we will need, of course, some a vegetable broth that we made in advance. Then we need a pan where you're gonna make your risotto. And in this pan I put a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going now to turn on the stove and add my leeks that I previously sliced. Okay? So I'll put here. So I roughly slide 3 small leeks for 2 people. Okay. And so just a second. Okay, so we let the leeks cook for a little bit. We can already smell here. Okay. So when they start to become a little bit soft, we will add the rice, okay? So we need to keep it a little bit dried because we have to toast the rice, okay? So let's not add too much any liquid here at this stage. Okay, so now let's grab some arborio rice. Okay, for 2 people it is roughly between 180 grams and 200 grams. Okay, so then we will add the rice here in the pot and let it toast it for a minute. Okay. Toasting the rice. Then we get a little bit of white wine. Okay. If you have some prosecco, you can even add some prosecco, but this is normal cooking wine. Here the rice is toasting. Okay. So now we can add a little bit of wine. So let's keep the flame pretty high. Let's evaporate. So we need to evaporate the wine. just to make this, you know, little consistency, this creamy. And now slowly we start to add the vegetable broth. Okay, so we keep adding the broth until it absorbs completely, and then when it absorbs completely, we keep putting more broth. So, okay. So let's take, so here we have our vegetable broth. It has to be quite hot, okay, because we want to keep the temperature of the rice constant, just to maintain the integrity of the kernels of the rice, okay? There we go. Okay, so here we are still cooking the rice, okay, in the leeks. So in the meantime, we prepared some gorgonzola cheese, roughly 100 grams, 150 grams. It really depends on your taste. And then we have some Parmesan cheese, because we always like to finish with the Parmigiano Reggiano, sorry, not Parmesan cheese, which is different. Okay, Parmigiano Reggiano. So now we add a little bit of salt in the risotto. I already salted a little bit of the vegetable broth when I made it, but I like to add, for sure you will need more salt while you're cooking your rice. So I'm gonna put some salt here. Okay, so let's not exaggerated, because we need to put the gorgonzola, okay, which is already salty, and we need also to add the Parmesan cheese, the Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, so let's keep cooking the risotto, adding more water here, more vegetable broth. Okay. And let's keep stirring the rice. Okay, so here we are almost at the end of the preparation for the risotto. Okay, just it's important to taste it when you cook. Just taste. So the rice, it's ready, so it might take 20-25 minutes. It still has, you know, to maintain some al dente consistency for the rice. So now we are ready to add the gorgonzola. Okay, so we can make some cubes for the cheese. Okay, let's see. And then it starts to melt. So let's taste one more time to see if salt is enough. I'll still add some cheese, Gorgonzola cheese. I like it strong, strong taste, so I'm gonna put all of it. So see how creamy it becomes. Should not be dried. If it starts to dry, keep adding a little bit of vegetable stock. Okay. Okay, so we are almost ready. As last step, okay, so we already have, you know, quite a bit of Gorgonzola cheese, but so I still like to add a little bit of butter. I prepared a little bit of butter here. Okay, so you turn off the stove, you add a little bit of butter, and this is the process that we call mantecatura of the risotto. There we go. And then I like to add a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, okay? That's always nice to add. So at this point the risotto is ready to be plated. Okay, so at this point we are ready to plate the risotto. So also the presentation, it's important. There we go. First one. I'm gonna make this plate for Dan because he likes a big plate. Okay, so and then to conclude, let's add a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano and a little bit of grounded black pepper. Okay, so let me grab the pepper. A little bit here and a little bit of here. Okay, risotto is ready. Buon appetito!